Hi, welcome to the NBA headquarters in New York. Come on in. My name is Katy Snyder. Some might see me at games and call me the trophy girl because I usually am carrying a trophy to the stage. Today, we're answering some of the top trending questions about the Larry O'Brien Trophy. Okay. The current NBA championship trophy is named the Larry O'Brien Trophy, but before, way back when the league began in 1947, the trophy was called just the NBA Finals Trophy. Then, in 1964, the NBA renamed the trophy to Walter A. Brown until 1984, when Larry O'Brien retired and they renamed the trophy after him. It is called the Larry O'Brien Trophy after the NBA's third commissioner. Larry O'Brien was influential in bringing the three-point line to the game and creating the scoring system as it is today. Would you guys like to meet Larry? Come on in. The Larry O'Brien Trophy is created in Cumberland, Rhode Island at Tiffany & Co.'s Hollowware workshop by a team of makers. It took on a new design in 2022 in collaboration between Victor Solomon and Tiffany & Co. The main differences you'll see is the base has changed to 2 circular discs. You'll see every team that has won since 1947. The Larry O'Brien Trophy is made out of 16 pounds of sterling silver, and it is covered in 24-karat gold vermeil. The top part is a basketball, which is regulation size. The middle part is a net leaning forward with the ball a little bit catty-cornered on it. This leans forward just to show the progression of our league and what we want to accomplish as we move forward in the future. The trophy weighs approximately 30 pounds, which is basically a toddler. The winning team of the finals gets to keep the Larry O'Brien Trophy. To set the scene of how powerful of a moment that is, the confetti drops and we make our way out to the stage. The ceremony begins and it's just an incredibly magical, I can't even really describe how much magic and how much passion is on that stage at that moment, just watching all of these guys go through the greatest achievement of their lives and how far they've come to be here. And it's such an honor to be part of it. Okay, we're ready. Larry and I are off to the finals. See you there.